Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I'm excited. We're going to talk about pneumatic vacuum cleaner, pneumatic Henry HRV160, pneumatic Henry PET200, pneumatic Henry HRV160-11, and Hetty HET160-11 cylinder bagged vacuum cleaners. We're going to talk about the performance, specifications, pros, and con. And also, we're going to talk about which one is the best for specific need when choosing a reliable vacuum cleaner that delivers strong suction, long life, and solid value. Pneumatic is a brand that often tops the list, especially with their iconic Henry and Hetty ranges. In this guide, we are comparing 4 top models to help you decide which one is best for your home. Let's start with pneumatic Henry HVR160. This is the standard, well-balanced model. It comes with a powerful 620 watts motor and it has a large 6-liter dust bag capacity. It is designed for all-around home cleaning and is ideal for both carpets and hard floors. The Henry HVR160 includes a versatile set of tools, including a crevice tool, upholstery nozzle, and combination floor head. Each cord is a generous 10 meters, giving you a wide cleaning radius. The Henry HVR160 is known for being quiet, durable, and energy efficient, making it a great choice for households looking for a dependable vacuum without too many bells and whistles. The next is pneumatic Henry PET200. This one is purpose-built for homes with pets, while it shares the same 160 watts motor and 9-liter capacity as larger Henry models. The PET200 goes further by including an activated charcoal microfresh filter to combat pet odors and special aero brush for removing stubborn pet hair from carpets and upholstery. That aero brush is a real standout. It uses air-powered rotation to lift pet hair, something standard Henry models don't have. If you have cats or dog that shed, the Henry PET200 is the one to go for. However, it is slightly heavier and louder than the basic Henry HVR160. And if you don't have pets, the extra features may not be necessary. Then we have the pneumatic Henry HVR160-11, which is essentially an updated variant of the original HVR160. It maintains the same core features: 620 watts energy efficient motor, 6-liter dust capacity, and comprehensive accessory kit. Which distinguish the HVR160-11 is mostly cosmetics, a slightly updated design, and improved floor head. It is just as effective as the HVR160, but you are getting newer fittings and marginally better handling. If you are buying new and see the 160-11 version available, it is worth picking it up over the base HVR160 due to these small improvements. The last but not the least is pneumatic Hetty HET160-11. This is functionally almost identical to the HVR160-11. It has the same power, capacity, motor, and accessories. The bigger difference here is the branding and appearance. Hetty is designed with a more playful look and a pink finish, which appeals to some buyers looking for a softer design. It is a great option for people who want performance with personality. There are no compromise in suction or build quality. Hetty is just as tough and efficient as Henry. Now we're going to talk about the advantages. Pneumatic vacuums are famously durable. They use high quality materials, have strong suction, very large dust capacity compared to most cylinder vacuum, and include reusable dust bags, which can help save money over time. The long power cord and robust hose mean you can clean large areas without constantly moving the plug. Most models are quiet compared to competitors and easy to store due to their compact cylindrical design. However, there are some disadvantages. These vacuum cleaners are heavier than cordless stick vacuum, and while they are great for deep cleaning, they are not ideal for quick, high up or car interior cleaning. They don't have the same maneuverability as upright with swivel heads, and there are no motorized brush roll in the standard models except for the PET200's aero brush. If you are used to bagless cleaners, you will also need to get used to changing the bags and occasionally buying bags. So which one should you get? If you want a well-rounded vacuum for a standard home without PET, the Henry HV160-11 is your best bet. Its modern design, strong suction, large capacity, and a great reliability. If you have pets, especially heavy shaders, the Henry PET200 is the recommended option. The aero brush and other filter makes a noticeable difference in managing pet hair and smells. If you are drawn to style and want something fun looking without losing performance, Hetty HET160-11 gives you the same cleaning power in a more cheerful design. If you are looking at the older HVR160, it is still a solid machine, but HVR160-11 is a more updated version and generally the better value if priced similarly. All these models are strong choices, but your needs, pets, style preference, or budget should guide your decision. What is consistent across all of them is pneumatic, legendary build quality, and cleaning power. If you are looking for vacuum cleaner that lasts and performs years after years, any of these could be a smart investment for the future. These vacuum cleaners deserve your attention. Thank you very much indeed.